Good morning. I am going to take on this class on the topic of Boolean algebra and K-map. And I am Professor Ravi Kumar. I am assistant professor at MIT Muzaffarpur. And today the first topic is introduction. Introduction of Boolean algebra. It is developed by English mathematician George Boole in between 1815 to 1864. It is described an algebra of logic or an algebra of two values, that means true or false. The term logic means a statement having binary decision, that means true oblique yes or false oblique no. That means इसके कहने का ये मतलब है कि जो बुलियन अलजेब्रा है, बुलियन अलजेब्रा, इसके बारे में मैंने जॉर्ज बुल ने बताया था। एक इंग्लिश मैथमेटिशियन थे। इन्होंने बेसिकली लॉजिक पे इन्होंने मैथमेटिक्स डिजाइन किया था, जो बेसिकली ट्रू और फॉल्स पे, ट्रू एंड फॉल्स पे बेस्ड था। ट्रू मीन्स 1 एंड फॉल्स मीन्स 0. And the application of Boolean algebra, it is used to perform the logical operation in digital computer. बेसिकली बुलियन अलजेब्रा का जो यूज होता है वो हमारा डिजिटल कंप्यूटर पे होता है, और डिजिटल कंप्यूटर होता है वो बेसिकली हमारा 1 एंड 0 के टर्म्स में बात करते हैं, यानी कि हमारा बाइनरी के बारे में बात करता है। इन डिजिटल कंप्यूटर ट्रू रिप्रेजेंट 1 and 1 means high voltage and false it is represented by 0 or it is denoted by low voltage. Logical operation, that means logical operations are performed by logical operator, and basic three fundamental operators are: one is AND, this is also called conjunction; second one is OR, it is also called disjunction; and third is NOT, it is also called negation or complement. Now we are going to talk about AND, OR and NOT operator. AND performs logical multiplication and it is denoted by dot. OR performs logical addition and is denoted by plus sign. And NOT performs logical negation and it is denoted by bar or dash. It operates on single variables. On AND operator we have to decide AND gate. On OR operator we have to define OR gate, and on NOT operator we have to define NOT gate. In AND operator we have two input x and y, and output is x dot y. And if we have two inputs, that means the total number of combination is 4, means 2 raised to the power n, where n is number of variables. That means 4 variables: 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, 0 x dot y 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 1. OR operator x y, it has also 2 variables and output is x plus y. 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 1. NOT operator x, it is denoted by x bar or x dash. 0 1 1 0. If input is 0, then output will be 1. If input is 1, output will be 0. Now we are going to talk about truth table. The truth table is a table that contains all possible values of logical variables and statement in a Boolean expression. The number of possible combinations is 2 raised to the power n, where n is number of variables used in Boolean expression. Now we have to go the truth table of xy plus z. In xy plus z there are 3 variables. X, y and z. Then total number of variation in input combination is 2 raised to the power n, and n is variable, n is 2 to the power 3, and total variation is 8. It means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and possible combination 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. And we have two possibility x, y and z. The first we have to find x dot y, and this is AND operator. X here, y here, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. That means x and y, it gives output 1 when both input is 1. And z. Now x dot y plus z. That means 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. If any of input is 1, then output is also 1 in OR operator. So this is the truth table. Now the next topic is tautology and fallacy. If the output of Boolean expression is always true or 1, it is called tautology. And if the output of Boolean is always false or 0, it is called fallacy. Suppose we have variable p 0 and 1. If p bar is equal to 1, if we are going to use NOT operator, in NOT operator, if input is 0, then output is 1. If input is 1, then output will be 0. And p plus p bar 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. And p dot p bar 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. Then this is fallacy, and p plus p bar is tautology. Now we have to do some exercise on truth table. The first one is x bar y bar plus x bar y. Second one is x bar y z bar plus x y bar. C is x y bar into z plus y z bar plus z bar. And second question is verify the p plus pq bar is tautology. And third is verify that the x plus y bar is equal to x bar y bar. Now we are going to use some of these questions. The first question is x bar y bar and x bar y bar. Now first we have to find out total number of variable. Total number of variable. And here variable is 2, x and y. So total number of possible combination is input is 2 raised to the power 2 is equal to 4. Now we have to find truth table. The first input is x, second input is y. And here is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. This is the possible combination of input. This is the possible combination of input. Now we have to find out x bar and y bar. X bar is not operator, y bar is y का not operator. X is 0, then y x bar is 1. X is 0, then x bar is 1. X is 1, then x bar is 0. This is 0. This is 1. This is 0. This is 1. This is 0. Now we have to find out first term x bar y bar. X bar y bar, and this is AND operator, and here is x bar and here is y bar. 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0. Now we have to second operator x bar into y. The second term is x bar into y. Here is x bar, here is y. That means 0 and 1 AND operator 0 1 1 1 0 0 0 1 0 0. Now we have final output y is equal to x bar y bar plus x bar into y. Now we have to going to OR operator 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 0 0 0 0 0. Now this is the truth table of function x bar y bar plus x bar into y. Now we have the second questions. P plus PQ bar is tautology. Tautology, that means every possible combination we have output is 1, and here is the two variable P and Q. Any variable n is equal to 2. The total possible combination 2 raised to 2 is equal to 4. Now first input is P, second input is Q. Possible combination 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Now second term is PQ, that means AND operator 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 1, and second operator is PQ बार. यानी दिस इस टर्म का हमको क्या करना पड़ेगा, नॉट ऑपरेटर यूज करना पड़ेगा, और 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 0. Now final output is P plus PQ bar 0 1 1 0 1 1 1 1 1 1 0 1. P plus PQ bar. Hence all output is 1, so it is tautology. Now the third question is x plus y bar is equal to x bar into y bar, and this is also called De Morgan theorems. This is very important. Now the first term is LHS and second term is RHS. Now there is two variable x and y, so possible combination is 4. Now two variable, we have to write down two variable x and y, and all possible combinations 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Now here is x plus y. Now x plus y is equal to 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 1. Now we have to final give input x plus y ka bar, and this is 1, this is 0, this is 0, this is 0. Now we have to find out truth table of RHS. RHS is x bar, it is not operator of x 0 1 1 0 0. Y bar is not operator of y 1 0 1 0. Now RHS is x bar y bar. And 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 0 1 0 0 0. Now the column 4 and the column 7 is 1 1 0 0 0 0, यानी कि column 4 x plus y bar is equal to x bar into y bar, hence proved. And this theorem will be proved on the basis of truth table. And how we find truth table? First we have to find out total number of variables, and here is two variables, so write down the two variables and write an all possible combination of input variables. Now, depending on the question, we have to find out each and every terms and we proceed. Now, logic. Basic. A gate is a digital circuit which operates on one or more signal and produce signal output. That means gate, it is a digital circuit. It has one input or two input or more than two inputs and one single output. Gates are digital circuit because the input and output signals are denoted by either 1 or 0. If any input are given by digital signal and output is also digital signal, then corresponding circuit will be called digital circuit. And digital signal either will be 1 or 0, true or false, high voltage or low voltage. Gates are digital circuit because the input and output signals are denoted by either 1 or 0 voltage. There are basically three types of gate: AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate. Is totally depend upon the operator we have studied earlier. AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate. The AND gate is an electronic circuit that gives a high output 1 only if all its inputs are high. That means AND gate का इनपुट हाई, आउटपुट हाई तभी होगा जब इसके सारे इनपुट हाई होंगे. अगर कोई भी एक इनपुट लो रहेगा तो आउटपुट हमारा लो आ जाएगा. द OR गेट इज एन इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सर्किट दैट गिव्स हाई आउटपुट 1 इफ वन और मोर ऑफ इट्स इनपुट्स आर हाई. OR गेट में आउटपुट हाई तभी रहेगा जब कोई भी इनपुट सिग्नल में कोई भी एक हाई रहा तो हमारा आउटपुट हाई रहेगा. AND gate and OR gate takes two or more input signal and produce only one output signal. The NOT gate is an electronic circuit that gives high output if its input is low, and it will give low output when input is high. NOT gate takes only one input signal and produce only one output signal. The output of NOT gate is complement of its input and it is also called inverter. That means AND gate को हम लोग इस तरह से डिनोट करते हैं. This is the logical symbol of AND gate and input is AB, that means it is two input AND gate and output is denoted by AB. OR gate, this is the logical symbol of OR gate and input is AB, then output is A plus B. NOT gate, this is the logical symbol of NOT gate and if output is A, then output is, if input is A, then output will be A bar. And the AND gate, AB, AB bar, 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0, this is same as operator. OR gate, same as OR operator. The output is high when any one of the input is 1. The output is high when both input is high. NOT gate, when input is high when input is 0. So when output is 0, the input will be high. It is also called inverter complement. Now we have talked about principle of duality. In Boolean algebra, the duality principle is obtained by interchanging and OR operator and replacing zeros by 1 and ones by 0 and compare the identity of left side with right side. मतलब ड्यूलिटी फाइंड आउट करने के लिए हमको क्या करना पड़ता है, एंड ऑपरेटर को और ऑपरेटर से चेंज करना पड़ता है, और ऑपरेटर को एंड ऑपरेटर से चेंज करना पड़ता है, 0 को 1 से चेंज करना पड़ता है, 1 को 0 से, एंड वेरिएबल is keeping same. Suppose we have one input A plus 1 is equal to 1 and we have to find out duality system. then input A is same. Here is OR operator. The OR will be changes by AND, 1 will be changes by 0, and it is 1 is changes by 0. तो a प्लस 1 इज इक्वल टू 1 का ड्यूलिटी हमारा हो जाएगा a डॉट 0 इज इक्वल टू 0. नाउ बेसिक थ्योरम ऑफ बुलियन अलजेब्रा. द फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्टीज इज प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ 0. 0 को किसी भी नंबर में ऐड करेंगे तो हमारा सेम एज इट इज रहेगा, यानी 0 प्लस सपोज वेरिएबल a इज इक्वल टू a, 0 प्लस वेरिएबल b इज इक्वल टू b. सेकेंड, अगर हम लोग 0 से किसी वेरिएबल को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो हमारा आउटपुट 0 रहेगा. नाउ सेकेंड प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ 1. अगर किसी भी वेरिएबल को हम लोग 1 से ऐड करते हैं तो हमारा आउटपुट 1 आएगा. अगर 1 डॉट ए किसी वेरिएबल को 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करें तो हमारा वेरिएबल सेम आएगा. थर्ड प्रॉपर्टी इज कम्यूटेटिव लॉ. a प्लस बी इज इक्वल टू बी प्लस ए, and in terms of multiplication AB is equal to BA. The fourth property is associative law. A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C, and in terms of multiplication AB bracket C is equal to A bracket BC. Now third operator is, the next property is distributive law. That means A multiplication of BC is equal to AB plus BC. Second property is a plus bc is equal to a plus b and a plus c. That means a goes to b and a goes to c. ab plus ac. Similarly a plus a बार b होगा तो इसका आउटपुट हमारा a plus b होगा. कैसे? a plus a बार and a plus b बार, यानी कि a plus a बार and a plus b, and a plus a बार is equal to 1 and a plus b. When we multiply it is called a plus b. Now second other property is idempotent law या identity law. a plus a is equal to a and a dot a is equal to a. Absorption law, redundance law. a plus ab is equal to a and a into a plus ab is equal to a. How it is possible? A plus ab, a goes to a goes to b. That means a plus a and a plus b. a plus a is equal to a plus b. a plus multiply a into b. It is called a dot b. a 1 plus b. a 1 से किसी भी टर्म को ऐड करें तो 1 ही आएगा, तो इट इज विल बी a. दिस इज एब्जॉर्प्शन लॉ. कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री लॉ. x प्लस एक्स बार इज इक्वल टू 1. अगर हम लोग किसी भी वेरिएबल को उसके कॉम्प्लीमेंट के साथ ऐड कर दे तो हमारा 1 आता है. अगर किसी वेरिएबल को हम लोग उसके वेरिएबल से मल्टीप्लाई कर दे तो उसका वैल्यू हमारा 0 आता है. दिस इज कॉल्ड टॉटोलॉजी. दिस इज कॉल्ड फॉलेसी. नाउ इन्वोल्यूशंस. 2 times not get will be same as x. And the third term is De Morgan's law. x plus y का whole bar is equal to x bar into y bar. x dot y का whole bar is equal to x bar plus y bar. Thank you.